This tutorial is on units of concentration for molality. Remember, molality is the moles of solute divided by the kilograms of solvent. So remember, when you have your beaker of substance, the things that you're adding to it in the smaller amount is the solute, and the thing that you're dissolving things in is the solvent. You will have to be careful with molality because sometimes they give you both items, solute and solvent, in grams. So the smaller is the solute and the larger is the solvent. Alright, to solve this sample problem from molality, it says a solution has 25 grams of NaCl dissolved in 125 grams of solvent. What is the molality? Alright, you have two numbers, 25 grams of NaCl dissolved in 125 grams of solvent. Remember, the rule of thumb is the smaller amount is a solute and the larger amount is a solvent. So, in order to do a molality problem, we have to have moles per kilogram. So we're going to take the 25 grams of NaCl and we're going to convert it to moles. So we'll put grams on the bottom under 1 mole, and we find the number of grams per mole by taking the NaCl. Na is about 23, Cl is about 35. When you add them together, you get 58 grams per mole. So we will then have 0.43 moles of solute. We also need kilograms of our solvent. We were given 125 grams, so we need to convert that to kilograms. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, so we'll divide and we will get 0.125 kilograms. Okay, now we can solve the molality. Molality is equal to the moles per kilogram, so 0.43 moles divided by 0.125 kilograms, and when you do that math you get 3.45 molality, or moles per kilogram. In this sample problem, how many moles of solute would need to be dissolved in 0.550 kilograms of solvent to make a concentration of 0.875 molality? Alright, so we're going to start with our 0.875 molality and our 0.550 kilograms and figure out the number of moles. So 0.875 molality equals some number of moles over the 0.550 kilograms. We're going to solve for our x, so we need to get it by itself. We're going to multiply both sides by the 0.550, and these will cancel out. So we're left with x equal to 0.875 times the 0.550. When you do that math, you get 0.481, and that answer is in moles. They could ask you to convert the number of moles into grams, but in this problem they don't give us enough information.